Welcome to my channel Krishna Bandana. This is the 9th episode of Krishna Bandana. Here I discuss with different qualities of Lord Sri Krishna, and today I will discuss with one of his qualities, that is highly learned. When a person is highly educated and acts strictly on moral principles, he is called highly learned. A person conversant in different departments of knowledge is called educated. And because he acts on moral principles, he is called morally stout. Together, these two factors constitute learning. Krishna's receiving education from Sandipani Muni is described by Sri Narada Muni as follows. In the beginning, Lord Brahma and other are like the clouds of evaporated water from the great ocean of Krishna. In other words, Brahma first received the Vedic education from Krishna as the cloud receives water from the ocean. That Vedic education or instruction which was spoken by Brahma to the world was then reposed upon the mountain of Sandipani Muni. Sandipani Muni's instruction to Krishna are like a reservoir of water on the mountain, which flows as a river and goes again to mix with the source and the ocean of Krishna. To be more clear, the idea is that Krishna actually cannot be instructed by anyone, just as the ocean does not receive water from any source but itself. It only appears that rivers are pouring water into the ocean, so it is clear that Brahma received his education from Krishna and from Brahma via the disciplic succession. This Vedic instruction was distributed. Sandipani Muni is likened to the river which is flowing down again to the same original ocean of Krishna. The Siddhas, the inhabitants of Siddhalok, were born with fully developed mystic powers, and the Karnas, the inhabitants of similar planet, pray to Krishna as follows. My Lord Govinda, the goddess of learning, is decorated with 14 kinds of educational ornaments. Her intelligence is all pervading within the 4 departments of Vedas. Her attention is always on the law book given by the great sages like Manu, and she is appled in 6 kinds of expert knowledge, namely Vedic evidence, grammar, astrology, rhetoric, vocabulary, and logic. Her constant friends are the supplements of the Vedas and the Puranas, and she is decorated with the final conclusion of all education. And now she has acquired an opportunity to sit with you as a class friend in school, and she is now engaged in your service. Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, does not require any education, but he gives a chance to the goddess of learning to serve him. Being self-sufficient, Krishna does not require the service of any living entity, although he has many devotees. It is because Krishna is so kind and merciful that he gives everyone the opportunity to serve him, as though he required the service of his devotees. Regarding his moral principles, it is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam that Krishna is ruling over Vrindavana as death personified to the thieves, as pleasing bliss to the pious, as the most beautiful Cupid to the young girls, and as the most munificent personality to the poor men. He is repressing as the full moon to his friends, and to his opponents he is annihilating fire generated from Lord Shiva. Krishna is therefore the most perfect moralist in his reciprocal dealings with different kinds of persons. When he is death personified to death thieves, it is not that he is without moral principles or that he is cruel. He is still kind, because so punish thieves with death is so exhibit the highest quality of moral principles. In Bhagavad Gita, also Krishna says that he deals with different kinds of person according to their dealings with him. Krishna's dealings with devotees and with non-devotees, although different, are equally good, because Krishna is all good. His dealings with everyone are always good. So this is the 9th episode of Krishna Bandana, where I discussed with one of his qualities, that is highly learned. So I request you to subscribe my channel if you love Lord Sri Krishna. If you love chanting his mantra, please subscribe my channel and share this channel with your friends and give a like on it. Jai Sri Krishna.